Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all controls for your speaker SONY ULT FIELD 7. And right here at the top we have all controls, so let's get started with the power button. You can turn on or turn off your speaker by pressing one time at this power button. Next we have Bluetooth button. You can enter to prank mode by pressing one time at this Bluetooth button. Then let's swap to volume control button, and to volume up your music we have this plus button, and you can press or press and hold on it to increase the volume, and as you can see at this widget I just did it. To lower the volume, use volume down button, would have a minus icon here, and you just press or press and hold and you will lower the volume. Also right here we have a button to switch between equalizer presets, and let me open the application and I will show it to you that it works. So we need to go to the sound, and now let's turn off presets. Now if I press one time I will enable first preset, and as you can see we just change it. If I press again I will enable second preset, and if I press third time I will turn off all equalizer presets. Here we go. Now the last button is to play pause button. You can play and pause the song by pressing one time at this button. As you can see I just play a song, press again and you will pause the song. If you press two times at this button you will play next track, 1, 2, and here we go, it worked. If you press three times at this button you will play previous track, 1, 2, 3, and it also worked. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.